Did you know that almost 90% of traders actually end up losing money? Sounds scary, right? But what if I told you there are some insider secrets that can make winning trades much easier? No rocket science, just smart moves. Most of us jump into trading hoping for quick profits, but let's be honest, lack of knowledge, trading on emotions, and having no real strategy. These are the top reasons we see our money disappear faster than a cutting chai at a busy tapery. I've been there too, feeling lost while watching those red numbers on the screen. But here's the game changer. The real insiders don't rely on luck. They use a few simple, powerful secrets. The first is solid risk management. Decide your loss limit before you even place a trade. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your capital on a single trade. Next, they master market analysis. Don't just follow the herd. Learn how to read charts, spot trends, and understand why the market is moving. And finally, they control their emotions. No revenge trading after a loss, no FOMO when everyone's buying, just calm, calculated decisions. But the most impactful secret I found? It's journaling every trade. Yes, sounds boring, but this one habit lets you track your mistakes, your wins, and spot patterns in your own behavior. Once you start doing this, you'll see your trading transform. So, to sum up, manage your risk, understand the market, control your emotions, and keep a trading journal. These insider secrets might sound simple, but trust me, they can completely change your trading game. What insider secrets or lessons have you picked up in your trading journey? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll break down advanced trading strategies that really work.